Morning, guys. Figured I'd make a video. I just picked this one up the other day. First tractor I've bought in a long time. Not a bad looking machine either. I'm gonna do a buff on it now, but got it with no crank. So an older German lady had it and said that it wouldn't start, wouldn't crank over. So we all know these good old Intex, they're normally fouls when it happens. The usual, they put a brand new starter in it, so shame she didn't have the old one, because there's nothing wrong with it. This is the first one I've ever seen with that drain, too. Either they never put it in, or this is the first model I've come across with it. So anyway, long story short, turned out we got it home, adjusted the valves, and it wasn't the valves. It wouldn't crank, so good old compression release broke on the cam. It happens so often with either that or the valves that I actually keep them. I had a brand new one in stock, so with the gasket and everything, so we put that in yesterday and fired right up. I think this is the cam that came out of it. And you can see, conveniently missing. And where did Dad had, I'd like to show you the one that's complete. We actually been harvesting the cams out of the ones that we bought that blew up, when the cam is okay. We kept it and, darn it. Anyway, maybe I'll find it, I'll make an update video, show you. But, anyway, so the cam, sure enough, it was broke. That's the one, I think. So put it in, and of course you gotta yank the engine out to do it. So did that, and while it was out, I took the gas tank out and put new fuel line in it and filter. Had the original oil filter on it, so of course that was changed. Took the deck off to clean it. It was really muddy, so I'd start it for you, but I didn't think the valve cover would leak, but I cheated. I didn't put any RVT on it last night. So I started up this morning and it's smoking from the muffler getting hot. The valve cover started leaking, so I just RVT'd it. So, and this one actually came with all the paperwork. I gotta go through it yet and see. So, but I think I did alright. Got a little tear in the seat. And the battery was 517, so didn't even have to put a battery in it. Just charged it. Drove it around yesterday and it seems alright. So it's nice when you come across ones that don't need terrible, huge amount of work. Had a brand new spark plug, never even been fired. Whoever serviced it for, probably knew it was the cam and didn't want to do it or something. So, which is a shame. She could have had this machine for years to come yet. She really smacked something with well, not really the hood, but if you could have saw the muffler. You can see it's a little beat up. The hood at the bottom we gotta fix, but that muffler shield was bent completely back this way. She must have got it stuck in the mud because it was all coated in mud, and I guess I didn't do a good enough job. I gotta watch that tire. Looks like dog crap on it, but anyway, that was fun. Me and him had to bend it and hammer it back to factory type shape. Gotta paint it yet. And I gotta look on the hill for the brake cover, the foot peg. I got him. Just gotta find it. Oh, my back. But But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to do a little quick buff on it. I got to get out all my stuff. I haven't done it in so long. So, see how it cleans out. I'll talk to you guys later.